Alright, so I fixed my hair. And the next thing we're gonna be doing today is Krispy Kreme. Alright. One thing I have difficulty choosing from is, should I get all original glazed or should I get assorted? We'll see. Right, so I just made it. My mom wants me to cut her eyebrows. But anyways, here's where we're at. I don't know if they have this in the States, but so excited. Right, Mom? Okay, Mom's off to drop some Krispy Kremes to the aunties. Hello, Tita. Alright, let's go. Alright, here it is, boys. If I can open it. Oh, let's go. Taste test of which one looks good. Ooh, I'm gonna go for this bad boy. Alright, let me pick that guy up. I don't know what flavor this is, but let's give it a shot. Oh, the filling. It has a donutty taste to it. So, sorry, my hair is way too long. But yeah. So I'm making coffee because that pairs really nicely with a donut, apparently. Well, I think so. So let's see how that goes. So I'm gonna put that down for a bit and grab some fruits. All right, back to my coffee. So this is how I make it. I put a little bit of almond or oat milk. I use brown sugar. I mean, it was kind of hard, so I put a damp towel on it because I heard it makes it softer. And it looked like it worked. So perfect. Take just one small teaspoon. Chuck that in there. And let's grab the coffee. Oh, still a little bit. Why is it still dripping? Oh my goodness. Okay, well, that didn't work out too well. 1 second. Why it's not stopping? Because I forgot to put this in. So it's just the coffee filter. Yikes. Anyways, let's continue after this drips out. Got my coffee done. Okay, so update. What I'm gonna be doing now is let me switch the angle. I'm gonna be cable managing my desk. So as you guys can see, let me show you guys. It's so messy under here, and I have like kind of a pet peeve that if there's wires sticking out like this, I get kind of annoyed. So I'm gonna tidy everything up. Oh yeah, and as you can also see, there are holes in my wall because I removed the TV because I wasn't using it and I sold it. So yeah, that's that. So let's get started. Alright, but before we get started, I gotta set the mood. Hey Google, play Joji.
Okay, playing Joji on Spotify.
Okay, let's go. Alright, the scotch tape wasn't cutting it, so I have duct tape. So let's see how that goes. Alright, got it pretty much as good as I could. Woohoo! Alright, that was looking fresh. A church meeting. So yeah.
Everyone do.
It's basically why I'm wearing just the top, and if you look at my pants, it's so bad. Okay, update. We just finished our church meeting. So now I'm warming up some food, and this is what I have. So my brother got some food from Sweet and Beans, but as you can see, it's all empty because it's all here now. Yum. Alright, back. Another day. I forgot to record my workout because, man, I just wanted to focus. And dude, home workouts, you would think that they're nothing, but damn, if you push hard enough, holy crap. Yeah, alright, I'm gonna go shower now. I'm gonna shave this dirty stash off. So, show you how it looks after. Alright guys, so I just finished showering. Ooh. So what I'm gonna do now is all my friends are being like, yo, your mustache hella thick. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna shave that guy. So, show you what I use. If it even, there we go. So there's this. Oh, I want to trim my nose hairs first. So here we go. I like to go like so all the hairs are protruded and then I trim it. That's my technique. I'm gonna switch heads into this one. Alright, here we go. I think I might keep it like that, like half and half. Jokes, I'm gonna do the rest. Alright, what do you guys think? Fresh. Alright, so I'm a little bit worried, but I'm about to pluck these bushes right here. So here's a before. It's pretty small, so I don't even know if I should be doing this, but let me show you guys. Yikes. Okay, wait, so this is my plan. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm not even saying anything. I'm just gonna like remove the excess so it has a little bit of a shape to it. But yeah, here we go. Alright, now the other side. Alright, so I don't even know if there was a difference, but alright, so this is what I'm eating. I have adobo, but with ribs. And I'm also having, I don't know what this is, rib sinigang, so we'll give that a shot. And I'm also making some coffee. So my friend is getting some, I forget what it's called, Ernest ice cream. I don't know if you guys have ever heard that before, but I'm gonna be putting that ice cream in the coffee to make affogato, something new I tried this year. So yeah, we'll see how that goes. Alright, so I'm on my way to Nando's. If you guys are guessing why my face is so shiny, because I put a moisturizer, aka Vaseline. So yeah, so we're gonna go Nando's because my mom is a frontline worker, so it's free. So I'm hyped. There he is. Oh. Oh. Say hi to the vlog.
The what?
The vlog.
Huh?
A vlog.
Apa ulag?
No, a vlog. A video.
Hi.
Okay, let's go. Okay, so we made it back. Finished the Nando's. We'll update on the Ernest. They're actually picking it up on Friday or Saturday. So I'm just gonna use this and put that into my coffee and make an affogato. It's looking nice. Alright, hey everyone, it's Chris. It's from the Blankets household again. So I'm making some, oh, I kind of threw the package away, but matcha green tea with my companion right there. Oh. So what we also have getting ready is a Filipino sinigang dish. So we'll give you a taste test in a bit. Alright guys, back again. Kind of spilled everywhere. But add some honey into this. Oh, let's give it a taste test. Alright. Oh wait, you can't even see. Okay. Ooh, it's kinda hot. I'll do it later. Alright, okay. We got the sinigang. We got the matcha tea with honey. Honey. Alright, so let's do this. So we'll take a bit of the soup. Pretty bland. Alright, let's move on. Yeah. Got this. A little bit of honey, a little bit of heat. Honey and heat, and oh, I'm gonna finish this. Alright, see you guys later. Alright, hello everyone. So this is my nightly routine. I take 2 zincs and 2 magnesiums. I'll pop that in there. You wanna see how big these suckers are? Ooh. So I can show you. So this is, I don't even know how, well it's been helping me. So this is how big the pills are. That. These 2. Let's pop all of them on one. Got my teeth. Alrighty. Hope you guys enjoyed. Yeah, look if you look from this angle, dude. Alright guys, so this is my mom. She's currently sleeping right now, and it's 12:48 at night, and I'm just playing Club Penguin with my friends. So that's the night of a 24-year-old. Alright everyone, so I'm outside now, and what I'm doing is I'm going to Wendys. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be so good. So I'm gonna order my friends some food. Maybe we should get the car ready. And we're gonna have an online eating party. Mukbang with friends. Let's go. I'll take you along with my journey. I'm gonna have to last minute change the order because one of my friends they didn't have one of the sandwiches. Ooh. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited. Alright, let's go. So I'm at my friend's house. I've been waiting for a minute now. So let's wait until she comes out. If she does. I called this girl like 4, 5. Oh, there she is. Oh my gosh. Took so, she's not even wearing clothes, guys. Oh my gosh. Here at house number 2 of my friend right over there. Okay. Here we go. My Wendy's commercial. Is it? Okay. Why? I'm so bored. Okay, so I have my chocolate frosty. He didn't say anything. Oh shoot, that's not gonna be asked. It's okay, he's getting mangoes. Then I got my French fries. So not me. Then you dip this in here. Oh. Huh?
Give some bread for Milo.
I have 2 burgers. I think they screwed up. Alright everyone, gonna be doing our ab workout with my friend Lindsay. If you can even see her, let me focus that. There you go. But yeah, and then I will be showing you guys the entire thing. This is gonna be nuts. Alright, 4 rounds, but you can rest after. Alright everyone, so I have a new project. So what I'm gonna be doing is, one second, let me show you. Alright, I'm going to be, well first of all, if you look at my phone, the screen protector, it's a glass by the way, you might get wrecked. Or not might get wrecked, it is wrecked. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna replace it. So when I was cleaning through my, I guess, drawer, I found another one I can use. So we're gonna be using that on this guy. So I'll show you guys the process. Just set it up nicely here. Alright. And action. Alright guys, let me show you the finished product. Voila! Ooh, look at that. Alright.